Hi, my name is Valerie Jeffers. We're going to be defining names and using the SUMIF function in Excel. Let's get started. We're in our document now, and we're going to highlight the area in which we want to define a name. So we're going to highlight all our regions, locations. We're going to go to the name box, and we're going to type in region and hit our enter key. All right, let's go to the next box. We're going to highlight the area which we would like to represent, and we're going to go to our name box and we're going to type sales underscore, because we cannot have any spaces, 2016, and hit our enter key. All right, there's another way in which we can define a name. We're going to click on the cell, then we're going to go to define name, click define name, and we see that our name appears, and we're going to delete this and make sure we got the right fields. So press my delete key. I'm going to highlight the rows in which we would like to represent and click OK. Now if we look in our name box, we would see we got region, sales, and sales 2017 and sales 2016. So we have our, let's go to our summary box, and we're only going to do 2. So let's click on total sales 2016, and this is where we would want our SUMIF formula to appear. So let's click on our insert function. A dialog box will come up, and we're going to type in SUMIF. And click go. It's going to find it. We're going to select this function, click OK. Dialog box will appear, and our range is going to be region, because we're going to look at the region. The criteria that we want is going to be East, and the sum range that we want total sales 2016. So we're going to type in sales underscore 2016, and it's going to sum up all of the rows that's for the East location or East region. Click OK, and my total appears. Let's do it again for North, and we're going to pick the total sales for 2017. So since we've used that function, I can go to my recently used, click SUMIF. It's going to bring up the function argument. So our range would be region. My criteria will be North, because we're looking for North. And my sum range would be sales underscore 2017. All right, let's click OK. Let's review what we just learned. First, you would need to select the cell in which you want to define a name. Next, create the name to assign to a cell range. Afterwards, you would select the cell in which your formula results would appear. Then you would insert the function and select the appropriate formula function and add your function arguments. Hopefully this will help you when you take your MOS exam for Excel 2016.